Have you ever stood at the edge of the ocean, the salty breeze brushing against your skin, the rhythmic sound of waves crashing like a heartbeat echoing through the air? It's a moment that feels both timeless and fleeting, as if the sea is whispering secrets older than memory itself. The waves crash against the shore, relentless and eternal, each one a reminder of the ocean's power, its patience, its persistence. It's been doing this for millions of years, long before us and long after we're gone. The water stretches out before you, seemingly endless, a vast liquid horizon that blurs the line between earth and sky. It's easy to lose yourself in that view, to feel like a single drop in an infinite sea. In that moment, you might feel small, humbled by the vastness of the sea. But there's also something comforting in that smallness, like being part of something much greater than yourself. A reminder that we are not the center, but a piece of a much larger puzzle. Or perhaps you have looked up at the night sky, a canvas so immense it makes even the tallest mountains feel like pebbles. You lie back, eyes wide, and suddenly the world feels both impossibly big and intimately close. Thousands of stars twinkle like diamonds scattered on black velvet. Some of that light has traveled millions of years just to reach your eyes. You're not just looking at stars, you're looking back in time. And in that gaze, there's a connection to the cosmos, to the past, to the unknown. It's a feeling that transcends words, a quiet awe that settles deep in your chest. The universe feels infinite, and we are just tiny beings gazing up in wonder. But maybe that's the beauty of it, that in our smallness we find meaning, that in the vastness we find perspective. These feelings of awe and insignificance are not uncommon. They visit us in quiet moments, in grand landscapes, in the stillness between heartbeats. They remind us that we are alive, that we are aware, that we are capable of wonder. And maybe that's what makes us human, not our size or our strength, but our ability to feel deeply in the face of the infinite. They are a natural response to the immense scale of our planet and the universe beyond. A familiar feeling, yet always new, each time we pause, look up and let ourselves be moved. Our eyes and brains work together to help us understand size and distance. Objects appear smaller the farther away they are. This is called perspective. A car driving away seems to shrink until it's just a dot on the horizon. But our eyes can only see so much. We can't see the entire Earth at once. We experience it in pieces, a mountain range, a sprawling city, a vast desert. Imagine Earth as a giant basketball, smooth from a distance, perfectly round, spinning silently in the vastness of space. Now zoom in, closer and closer until you reach the surface. Now picture a tiny ant crawling on that basketball. That ant is us, humans, clinging to the surface of this massive sphere. From far away, we're invisible, insignificant, but up close, we're full of life, movement, and purpose. That ant is about the size of a human compared to our planet. Earth is enormous. To us, a mountain might seem towering, a city sprawling, but in the grand scale of Earth, even the tallest skyscraper is like a grain of sand. Earth has a diameter of about 8,000 miles. That's over 25,000 miles around its equator. It spins at over 1,000 miles per hour, yet we barely feel it. It's a colossal, dynamic system. Oceans churning, continents drifting, weather swirling. To put that size into perspective, you could fit over 7 million football fields on its surface. 7 million? That's enough to give every person on Earth their own field, and still have room to spare. And that's just the surface. Beneath our feet lies a complex interior, layers of rock, molten metal, and a core as hot as the surface of the sun. Earth isn't just big, it's deep, alive, and constantly changing. Think of all the mountains, oceans, and forests that fit on our planet. The Himalayas, the Amazon, the Pacific Ocean, each one a world of its own, teeming with life and mystery. From space, Earth glows with energy. Lightning storms flash, auroras dance, and cities sparkle like constellations. It's a living, breathing world, full of wonder. It's no wonder we feel small when we think about the sheer scale of Earth. But maybe that smallness is a reminder, not of insignificance, but of connection. We're part of something vast, beautiful, and extraordinary. Astronauts who have seen Earth from space often describe a profound shift in perspective. They call it the overview effect. Floating hundreds of miles above our planet, they see its delicate atmosphere, the swirling clouds, and the continents painted across its surface. From this vantage point, Earth looks fragile, a precious oasis of life in the vast darkness of space. Borders disappear, differences fade away. All that remains is a sense of interconnectedness and a profound responsibility to protect our home. Earth is just one planet orbiting a single star, our Sun. From space, it appears as a delicate blue marble suspended in the darkness, fragile yet full of life. It's easy to forget how small we really are when we're caught up in the day-to-day of our lives. But when we zoom out, even just a little, the perspective shifts dramatically. Our solar system is a bustling neighborhood of celestial bodies. Alongside Earth, there are 7 other major planets, dozens of moons, countless asteroids and icy comets, all orbiting the Sun in a cosmic ballet choreographed by gravity. Each of these objects has its own story, its own history, and its own role in the grand design of our solar system. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy rings of Saturn, the diversity is staggering. And yet even this entire system is just a tiny corner of something much, much larger. Our solar system resides in the Milky Way galaxy, a vast spiral-shaped collection of stars, gas and dust stretching over 100,000 light-years across. It contains more than 100 billion stars, many of which have their own planets. When you look up at the night sky and see that hazy band of light, you're peering into the heart of our galactic home. But even the Milky Way, with all its grandeur, is just one galaxy among many. The observable universe contains an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each filled with billions, sometimes trillions of stars. Some are spiral like ours, others elliptical or irregular in shape. These galaxies form clusters and superclusters, connected by vast cosmic filaments, creating a web-like structure that spans the universe. The scale is mind-bending. Light from the most distant galaxies we can see has traveled over 13 billion years to reach us. The universe is so vast, so immense, that it's almost impossible for our minds to grasp its true size. It's a realm where distances are measured in light years, where stars are born in clouds of gas and dust, and where the very fabric of space and time is still being explored. And yet, in all this immensity, we find ourselves here, on a small blue planet orbiting an ordinary star, in a galaxy among billions, a blue marble in the vastness of space. So, where does this leave us? Tiny beings on a tiny planet in a vast and ancient universe. It's enough to make anyone feel insignificant. But hey, there's another way to look at it. We are a part of this universe, connected to everything around us by the very fabric of space and time. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of dying stars. We are, in a very real sense, children of the cosmos. Being small doesn't mean we are insignificant. Think of all the amazing things humans have accomplished. Like we've built soaring skyscrapers, explored the depths of the ocean, and even walked on the moon. We have the power to create, to love, to dream. And yeah, we can make a difference in the world, no matter how small we may seem. The universe is full of wonder and mystery. There's just so much we don't know. But honestly, that's what makes it so exciting. We have the opportunity to explore, to learn, to discover new worlds and new wonders. Every time we look up at the night sky, we're reminded of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. It's a humbling experience, but also an inspiring one. The next time you feel small, remember this. Size is relative. We may be tiny compared to the Earth, but we are capable of great things. Embrace the awe and wonder of the universe. Let it inspire you to live your life to the fullest. After all, we are all made of stardust, and we have the power to shine brightly in our own unique way.